There was some goodness coming out of my kitchen last night. It smelled so amazing. I have been wanting to make these for a while now. I've held on to the recipe, kind of did my own thing, and that's okay. That's okay. You can do your own thing too. These were super easy to make, and if you want to see how I made them, here we go.
I have an 8x11 baking dish. You'll need one this size or a little larger. Go ahead and spray it with Pam. I am using olive oil. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. Grab some Hawaiian sweet rolls. Go ahead and open them up. And now we are going to slice these in half horizontally. You can slice these individually, but I find it's easier to work with them if you just do one horizontal slice. Add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar to a small bowl, 1/4 cup of honey to that small bowl, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 stick of butter melted, and go ahead and pour that into the bowl, and you're going to mix this really well. Now, it's not going to blend together exactly perfect, but just mix it really well. Now grab the bottom half of your sweet rolls and put them in a baking dish. Now take the mixture and spread that as evenly as you can over the bottom half of those sweet rolls. Now we are going to measure out 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar and take 1½ teaspoon of cinnamon. And we are going to mix this right in that measuring cup. The original recipe calls for 1 cup of sugar, but I did my own thing and used 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. But go ahead and spread that on there evenly. Place the top half of the sweet rolls onto the mixture. And we are going to melt about 2 tablespoons of butter. We are going to give the top of these sweet rolls a nice little butter bath. Yum! Who doesn't like butter? Remember that brown sugar cinnamon mixture we saved? Go ahead and grab that and just sprinkle that on top of those rolls. Cover it with tin foil, and we are going to put this in our oven that we preheated for 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, take them out. Go ahead and measure 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of milk to this powdered sugar. Blend those together, and you are going to make some icing. Perfect. And you can do as much or as little icing as you want. Go ahead and cut those buns individually, and we are going to drop 1/2 teaspoon of this icing onto each individual bun. The aromatic smell of cinnamon filled my home while making these. It was so pleasant, and voila! These are so enticing to look at. Beautiful. And they tasted like a cinnamon flavored honey bun. These were amazing. So good, so good.